Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best burger bun is probably one of the most underrated components of a truly great burger. It's the unsung hero, the foundation upon which all the deliciousness is built. But with so many options out there, from classic sesame seed buns to brioche, how do you choose the perfect one? Today, we're diving deep into the world of burger buns, exploring what makes a great bun and helping you find the perfect match for your next burger creation. Number 5. Smart Baking Company. Smartbuns, 24-count sesame. Craving a burger? Now you can enjoy it with this bun. It's perfect for those on a keto diet or anyone watching their carbs. This great-tasting hamburger bun is gluten-free, sugar-free, and has zero net carbs. These smart buns are not only low-carb but also a reduced-calorie alternative to traditional burger buns. You can ditch the lettuce wrap and enjoy something truly satisfying. Each bun has only 63 calories. This isn't just low-carb bread, it's zero-carb. It's rich in protein, high in fiber, and packed with nutrients. It's the bun alternative you've been searching for, perfect for making low-carb snacks and meals. Bread can be a real treat, especially if you're following a keto diet. These low-carb keto buns are the perfect addition to your burger, breakfast sandwich, and other keto treats. If you're diabetic or on a keto diet, you know how important it is to avoid sugar. With these smart buns and other products from Smart Baking Company, you don't have to worry. They provide low-carb snacks and foods to fuel your day. What we like. This bun is a game-changer for anyone on a keto diet. It has zero net carbs, so you can enjoy your burger without the guilt. If you are looking for a delicious, low-carb option that fits your lifestyle, you should consider this. What people say. They are regular-size keto hamburger buns. Tried them and am very pleased to say they taste just like a normal bun, which is exactly what you want, and are still zero carbs to not affect your keto. These buns stood up to dripped juicy hamburgers like a pro. Number 4. Dave's Killer Bread Organic Burger Buns. Introducing Dave's Killer Bread Organic Burger Buns. These buns are packed with flavor and nutrition, perfect for your next burger night. Made with 21 whole grains and seeds, it offers a hearty and wholesome taste. You'll love the texture and the added health benefits. Each bun provides 6 grams of protein and 12 grams of whole grains. It's a delicious way to fuel your body and stay satisfied. These buns are USDA organic and non-GMO verified. You can feel good about what you're eating, knowing it's made with quality ingredients. They also contain 280 milligrams of ALA omega-3. This provides essential nutrients for your overall well-being. And, of course, there's no high fructose corn syrup. It's a healthier choice for you and your family. What we like. This bun is packed with whole grains and seeds, offering a boost of nutrients and fiber. It's also USDA organic and non-GMO verified, ensuring quality and peace of mind. If you value wholesome ingredients and a hearty texture, you should consider this. What people say. They come out of the freezer as if they were coming out of the oven. Perfect. The bunch of different grains, cause for I'm full that I have been looking for a long time. They are so good I'd eat them whether I needed more fiber or not. Number 3. Culture Baking Keto Hamburger Buns, 2-pack. Are you on a low-carb diet? These buns are perfect for you. Enjoy a delicious hamburger without the guilt. Unlike other brands, this product has no added sugar. Each bun has only 1 net carb. It's a great choice for your diet. These low-carb hamburger buns are soft and fluffy inside, with a golden brown crust outside. They are easy to make and taste great. Each bun contains 50 calories, 0 g sugar, and 6 g protein. This product is friendly for both keto and low-carb lifestyles. This product is proudly made in the USA. You can trust the quality and enjoy the taste. What we like. These buns are perfect for those following a keto or low-carb lifestyle. With only 1 net carb and 0 sugar, it allows you to enjoy a burger without compromising your diet. If you are looking for a guilt-free, delicious bun made in the USA, you should consider this. What people say. A perfect size for a small sandwich with all my needs: high fiber, low carbs, low fat and lower salt, and the bonus of tasting good. These buns do the job. They are low in calories and high in fiber, chicory root. Number 2. Canyon Bakehouse Gluten-Free Hamburger Buns. Are you looking for delicious gluten-free hamburger buns? Look no further. This product is perfect for anyone who wants to enjoy a tasty burger without the gluten. It's gluten-free, so you can enjoy it without any worries. This bun is made with high-quality ingredients and is perfect for your next barbecue or family meal. You'll receive a case containing 6 bags of these delicious buns. This ensures you have plenty on hand for all your burger needs. These buns are the perfect size and texture for your favorite burgers. It holds all your favorite toppings without falling apart. Try it today and experience the difference. You'll love the taste and convenience it offers. What we like. This bun is a great choice for those with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease. It offers a soft texture and delicious taste, making it a satisfying alternative. If you have gluten intolerance, you should consider this. What people say. The texture and taste is excellent. They are moist and have so much flavor, you'll find yourself asking if they really are gluten-free. The flavor is great and they are soft and luscious. Number 1. Dave's Killer Burger Buns, 2-pack. Looking for the perfect burger bun? These are the Dave's Killer Burger Buns. They are made with quality ingredients and taste amazing. Each package contains 2 packs of buns, perfect for sharing or stocking up. You'll have plenty of these delicious buns for your next cookout. With a total of 16 buns, there's enough for everyone. They are great for any occasion, from a casual weeknight dinner to a big party. These buns are designed to hold up to your favorite burger toppings. They're soft, yet sturdy, and won't fall apart. Try these buns and taste the difference quality makes. You will love the flavor and texture of these Dave's Killer Burger Buns. What we like. This bun is made with whole grains and offers a delicious taste. It's a great choice for those who want a flavorful and satisfying burger experience. If you like a classic bun with a focus on taste and quality, you should consider this. What people say. They pack the buns from the oven, in sturdy boxes. So it gets to you, without any smashed buns. It does work well. Real food. Healthy ingredients. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.